Today in SERDNA Talks, we're going to talk about the beautiful city of Davie in Broward County. Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of real estate metrics? Buckle up because we are about to get informed and make some savvy decisions. Let's kick things off with the month supply of inventory clocking in at 2.4. And this little number tells us how long it takes to sell all the houses available given the current sales pace. We are only doing a market report for single family homes. When it's low, you know it's a seller's market. When demand is crushing supply and prices might just go up, and up. Now, let's peek at the 12-month change in the months of inventory, flexing at 12.8%. This one shows us the percentage change in the time it takes to sell all the homes compared to last year, 2022. When it's positive, it means more houses are hitting the market, hinting at a possible buyer's market. And hey, that's good news for the buyers out there, right? Time to check out how quickly houses are flying off the shelves. With the median days homes are on the market in Davie, houses are selling in 24 days. Smaller numbers mean the demand is off the charts and the market is sprinting, creating a real life house Olympics. But if the number is higher, it means things are moving way slower, giving buyers extra time to ponder their options, but not right now. Now, let's talk about the list to sold price percentage. It is at 96.3, and this percentage is all about the final sale price compared to the original listing price. A higher percentage means that homes are fetching close to their asking price, and sellers are extremely happy with these prices. Last but not least, we've got the median sold price, which is $760,000. And this is the midpoint of all home sales, giving us the lowdown on the market overall value. If that median price is climbing, you know property values are soaring high. And if it's going down, it might be a good time to grab a bargain. Now, let's get real and see what these metrics can tell us. The low month supply of inventory and the sky high list to sold price percentage is telling us that this is a seller's market. Homes are flying off the shelves and sellers are getting top dollar. But hold on, because the 12-month change in months of inventory shows that there might be more houses popping up soon, hinting at a more balanced market on the horizon. And if you are a buyer looking to buy in Davie, the median days homes are on the market. It's crucial for you to catch that dream house. If it's flying off the market, be ready to act fast. And don't forget to keep an eye on the median sold price to know where you stand budget-wise. For the sellers out there, the market's looking pretty sweet right now, with homes selling like hotcakes and close to the asking price. You've got a reason to celebrate, but keep in mind that the 12-month change in months of inventory might change the game. So stay on your toes and always watch SERDNA Talks. In a nutshell, understanding these real estate metrics is like having a secret treasure map. You should keep an eye on month supply of inventory, the 12-month change in months of inventory, the median days are on the market, the list to sold price percentage, and the median sold price. And you'll be ruling the real estate world like a pro. Happy house hunting, everybody. If you are a real estate agent watching this video and would like to join our team, contact us now. And if you have questions, remember to subscribe to SERDNA Talks and to share all my videos with your friends and family. I have to go. See you soon. Ciao.